Hello friends, today I will share a story with you. This is the real story. This incident happened in my presence and I will share this with you so that you would get a moral inspiration and dedication from this story. So please watch this story till end. Don't miss any point. Stay with me. Actually, I was sitting with my friend in city on his shop and suddenly electricity breakdown and my friend asked me that come outside because here is heat, and we went outside. Another shopkeeper came out and he asked that I have found two shoppers of chicken dropped from motorbike, and I don't know who will be the owner of this shopper because I don't recognize this person. He told us that he had taken his photo from CCTV, but he is not able to recognize that person. Then he showed that photo to me. Then I suddenly asked him that I know this person. This person was sitting with me in the morning time in school where I had gone to meet my friend. He was also there for some important work, and I know this person. Then he asked me, give me the contact number of this person. I replied that I don't have his contact number. However, we can find his contact number from school administration. Then we contacted with school administration. They gave us his number. We contacted that person and we called him, and he asked that really those shopper were mine. And then I and my friend went to his locality to give him two shoppers of chicken. When he found those two shopper of chicken, he was very happy because he was the poor person, and after a long time he got some amount that he was doing the laborer work, and then he got his wages. Then for his family, for his children, he purchased a chicken, but he dropped those shoppers in the way. So when he found those shoppers, he was too much happy, and he then asked us that I was doing my hard work with legal ways. I'm not unfair person. I'm earning my money. I'm earning my livelihood with legal ways. So this was my legal amount that has returned to me. If that amount was illegal, I was not able to find these shoppers. And you can check that how this story is made, that in the morning time I was sitting in the school, and there that person also comes for some important work. Then he sit uh, he sits there for long time. So I recognizes that person. I recognize that person. And when in the evening time I was sitting with my friend, then I saw his photograph and I recognized that person. So in this way, the shoppers of his reached to him because he was saying that this is my legal amount. I was doing hard work on the whole day, in the whole day. So these shoppers of chicken came to me. From this story, you can get a moral message that always try to earn livelihood by legal ways, by fair ways. Don't earn your money with unfair means, with unfair ways. Hope you find this story useful, and from this story you will get inspiration In next time I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me. And before leaving, if you are new on this channel, do subscribe so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.